Subscribe my channel GK Edujon and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Which is the largest planet of solar system? Jupiter. What is the Earth's place in the solar system? Third. How many districts are there in Assam? 34 districts. International Forest Day is celebrated on 21st March. What is the state flower of Assam? Foxtail orchid, Kopoful. How many MB is equal to 1 GB? 1024 MB. Who is responsible for the construction and maintenance of national highways? National Highways Authority of India. Who is the present Speaker of Lok Sabha? Om Birla. What is the full form of NDMA? National Disaster Management Authority. Which is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere? Nitrogen. Increase of trees results in the decrease of carbon dioxide gas. Similar word of pretty, beautiful. Which instrument is used to measure the amount of water vapor in the air? Hygrometer. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed in the year 1826 between the British India and the Burmese government. Fundamental rights borrowed from the Constitution of USA. New Education Policy 2021 structure is 5+3+3+4. What was the theme of Earth Day 2021? Restore our Earth. We need to respect our national flag. It is our fundamental duty. Which Ahom king started pike system? King Pratap Singha. During the reign of which king Shakta Hinduism was created? During the reign of Shiv Singha. How many railway zones are there in Indian Railway? 16. Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in Bay of Bengal. Which Indian state has the highest population? Uttar Pradesh. Which Assamese novel first won Gyanpith Award? Mrityunjay. Pak state separate India from which country? Sri Lanka. What is the pH level of tooth? 5.5. Mamai Tamali gets Borborua title during the rule of which Ahom king? Pratap Singha. Which layer of the atmosphere is most important for humans? Troposphere. What was the motto of 2020 Tokyo Olympics? United by emotion. Agmark is used for agricultural products. How much population required for a town? 5,000. Nagaland does not share borders with Bangladesh. Horses are not known during Indus Valley civilization. Remdesivir is not a COVID vaccine. Which metal is most abundant in the human body? Calcium. Which is the largest negative integer? -1. Devahur. Devjug Ahur. শক্তির একক কি? জুল। Opposite of straight? Crooked.